Hello, everyone. It's Sandy with the Artistic Vegan Home. I know some of you have already decorated or is getting ready to decorate for the Christmas holiday. Well, I'm still enjoying my pumpkins and pine cones. And now I'm ready to gather with friends and family for Thanksgiving. So today, I want to share with you my Thanksgiving fall tablescape. The inspiration from my fall tablescape was this beautiful but affordable melamine plate from Family Dollar. Once I saw them, I fell in love with the lovely artwork and I knew instantly I had to have them. But there was just one problem. My local Family Dollar didn't have them. They only had the orange colored theme plates, so I picked up 6 of those instead. However, I was still on the hunt for some of those gray colored theme plates that I originally wanted. Luckily, my sweet friend in Atlanta came to my rescue and snagged 6 of these gems. Thank you so much, Tina, for having my back. And thank you, Thomas, for delivering them. So here is how I built the elements for my fall tablescape. I started by creating my tablescape scene by painting a few Dollar Tree pumpkins and a couple of real dry gourds similar to the pumpkins and gourds on the plate's design. I also made a couple of my own pumpkins to complete the whimsical look. Please comment below if you'd like to see my DIY pumpkins, and I'll be glad to create one and link it below. After all my painting was complete, I decided to make a table runner from a piece of straw grass wallpaper that I bought years ago from a discount wallpaper store. I also made some round placemats from the same wallpaper. For my florals, I decided to use some of that dry eucalyptus from my first Goodwill Shop With Me and haul, and some chrysanthemums from Dollar Tree. I also used a few pine cones from a family member's yard and some leaves from an old floral arrangement. For my plating, I used the gray-colored faux wooden chargers from Dollar Tree, my dusty blue beaded edge plates I scored at my local Goodwill, and of course my gray pumpkin plates from Family Dollar. I also included my beautiful green wine glasses from Dollar Tree, a pair of my chunky brown candle holders that I scored from a Goodwill store, my lovely artisan flatware, and my beaded wood napkin rings with crisp white napkins. And here is my fall tablescape. Thanks for watching, and I send you all blessings of a safe and happy Thanksgiving.